Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 4, and I got the gold aluminum case with the pink sand sport loop and in the 40mm size. And then I also got two additional sport bands, and then I'll show these like after I open the watch. So ooh. So here's the pink sand sport loop band, and I already had this because I have the Series 3 watch, and this is also the one that I have. I'll open that in a second. So here's what the actual face of the watch comes in. It's like a little pink suede pouch. So I'm going to power this on and just let this turn on. This is obviously the paper crap that shows you what to do. And then we'll just put that there. And then obviously the charger for the watch. This is a cord, and then your standard I can't think of what this is called right now. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Here's the watch turned on. So I'm just gonna power this off. For now, and then I'll open the band so I can show you. She cute. Alright, so I got the pink sand sport loop. It's really comfortable because I have this one for my Series 3, but I'm probably not going to use this. I'm going to give this to my husband because he took over my Series 3. And because these get really dirty. But they're really easy to use, and they feel like these are really comfortable. I just don't like that they get really dirty and you can't really clean them good. And then, so the two colors that I got, these are just the regular sport bands. And I got this one in the lavender gray, and then this one in the regular pink sand. So this is the lavender gray. So here's the pink sand sport band.